Speak of the devil. The person you were talking about suddenly appears. We were talking about Ollie, and speak of the devil, he walked in. Speak of the devil. Sarah just called me. In a nutshell. In a few simple words. In a nutshell, the trip was amazing. Can you explain it in a nutshell? Call the shots. Be the person who makes the decisions. Sarah calls the shots in the office. Who calls the shots in your company? Cut to the chase. Get to the main point quickly. Let's cut to the chase and discuss the problem. He cut to the chase and gave the answer. Keep your cool. Stay calm and not get angry. She kept her cool during the argument. Try to keep your cool when things go wrong. Hold your horses. Wait and be patient. Hold your horses. The food isn't ready yet. Just hold your horses and let me explain. The early bird catches the worm. People who start early often do better. She got the best seat because she came early. The early bird catches the worm. He started studying early. The early bird catches the worm. Actions speak louder than words. What you do is more important than what you say. He promised to help, and he did. Actions speak louder than words. Show kindness. Actions speak louder than words. Better late than never. It is better to do something late than not do it at all. He finally finished the course. Better late than never. She arrived late, but better late than never. Easy does it. Do something slowly and carefully. Easy does it while carrying that glass. Easy does it. Don't rush. Buy the book. Following all the rules correctly. She does her work by the book. The teacher always teaches by the book. Pull yourself together. Calm down and take control of your feelings. Take a deep breath and pull yourself together. She pulled herself together after the bad news. Get out of hand. Become difficult to control. The game got out of hand when everyone started shouting. The situation got out of hand very quickly. Hang in there. Don't give up. Hang in there. Things will get better. Keep studying and hang in there. No strings attached. No special rules, conditions, or expectations. He offered help with no strings attached. The gift came with no strings attached. On the right track. Doing something the correct way. You're on the right track with your English learning. We're on the right track to finish the project. A tough nut to crack. A difficult person or problem. This math question is a tough nut to crack. The mystery was a tough nut to crack. Word of mouth. Information shared by people talking to each other. I heard about the restaurant through word of mouth. The shop became popular through word of mouth. Up in the air. Not decided yet. Our travel plans are still up in the air. The final decision is up in the air. Cry over spilled milk. Be upset about something that cannot be changed. I missed the bus, but there's no use crying over spilled milk. The cake is burned. Don't cry over spilled milk. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.